What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok videos private and hide them from other users. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Select the video you want to make private, then tap the three dots or share button. Next, open privacy settings and find who can watch this video. Change the setting to only you. Now, repeat these steps for your other videos that you want to hide. TikTok may not provide a single button to make every existing video private at once, so you'll need to change the privacy setting for each video individually if the bulk option isn't available on your account. And that's it. Your selected TikTok videos will now be private and visible only to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Peace!